Now comes the next. This was the Varna Adhyarop and the fruit of Varna Adhyarop. Pashut Adhyarop, Kartavya Adhyarop. Now Ashram Adhyarop is there. Ashram Adhyarop. So Varna Adhyarop is there, so many things are there. बोले हम परेशान हो गए, how much work shall I do? If you don't want to do, then you think, is there any way out? I think I should run away. Everybody has one thought sometimes. Everybody who lives in a system, in a house, in an institution, बोले I think I should run away from this place. कहीं अकेले में चुपचाप जाके in somewhere nobody knows, I should sit quietly. Where will you run away, भैया? How long you will be running away? बोले what is the way out? Way out is only know Vidya Sutra and you get out of it. बोले next birth, these are all waiting for you. बोले it will not be over. Over? Why it will be over? Adhyarop is told to tell our real plight. I see the housewife, poor housewife in a joint family. Husband is saying, Bhai, where is my Shanu? Where is my shirt? That is the shirt, but it is not ironed. I'll iron it. Okay. And then father-in-law comes, wait, chai de do. Give me the tea. Bole, Dada, humne rakh diya hai chai. I have kept the tea on the stove and I am coming there. Mother-in-law says, Arey, today, today is Barsi. Today my mother had passed away, so we are offering the Brahman is coming to do some puja. I say, okay. You have to make some pudi. Okay? Well, okay, I'll do that. Small child, Mummy, zip is not working. Zip. So, well, wait. It will be okay. I have to go on school, the bus is coming. So then the husband says, the boy, is iron ready? Well, yes, I am doing it. Mother-in-law, pudi rakh diya pudi. I have made the atta, you have to just make the pudi. Okay, bole, theek hai, okay. Then again, Mummy, zip. Arey bhai, wait, the zip is there. Then father-in-law, arey beta, chai, acidity hai. To chai aur le lo. Humne rakh diya wahan, chai, I have already made that tea there. And then Pandit ji came. Badram karne bhi shruyam devaha badram paschima. Arey bhai, वो केला का पत्ता नहीं है क्या? Where is that banyan? वो केला का पत्ता है, केला का पत्ता वहाँ दे दो. He said, Mummy, zip. So, wait, I have no pant, is not there, bus is coming. Then अगर father-in-law comes, अरे बेटे चाय के साथ बिस्कुट भी तो, बिस्कुट पापा जी बिस्कुट इस डिब्बे में रखा है, उसको ले लीजिए, उस डिब्बे में बिस्कुट रखा हुआ है. And after that mother-in-law, अरे वो बरसी के लिए पूरी तैयार हो गई. बोले हाँ बस बना रहे हैं उसको, I'm just making that. You see the plan. Mummy, zip. बोले see, blue pant is there, put blue underwear, zip is not required after that. Nobody will see that. Don't worry about that. Because this zip is already failed. See, it is not going up and down. And only one pant, because last night all other pant got wet in this rain. So one pant is there. And then, her mother calls. बोले बेटे रक्षाबंधन में तो आई नहीं तुम, कब आ रही? Mummy, I'll talk to you later on, I'm already busy. All the time you're busy only, when to talk to you? Mummy, don't get upset, I'm talking to you, I'll talk in the night. Then daddy called, hey, suno, tomorrow you come, we are inviting you for dinner. You have to make the malu there. I will come, wait, so many duties are there. You must be knowing it better than me. Then maid came. There was clothes are kept in the washing machine. Where is that? And she started doing. You take it there. Sab isko karna padta hai. And plus you got flyer, Gita Gyan Yagya by And then committee people called you. कमेटी पीपल बोले सुनिए, हाँ टंडन साहब आप क्या भिक्षा रख दें एक दिन स्वामी जी की? बोले हम सोच के बताएंगे। नहीं हमने रख दिया है। अरे आपसे पूछते तो आपने ऑलरेडी हैव केप्ट वन भिक्षा फॉर यू। कौन स्वामी जी, कौन भिक्षा? आई डोंट नो हाउ टू गिव द भिक्षा, सो मच टेंशन बिल्ड्स अप। Well, I'll tell you everything. Don't worry. President is calling. I have kept the bhiksha. Don't worry. Very simple. Swamiji is there. He will just eat the normal food he eats. अरे भाई पूछते तो आप, you should have asked me. I don't know. I have to go to father's house tomorrow. No, tomorrow is the first bhiksha is yours. First bhiksha. अरे but first bhiksha is asking me to make the malu there. No, but you can say you can postpone that. But we can't postpone this. अरे यार ये हाल होता है गृहस्थ का। अब you have to set the house, clean the house first, set everything. I'm giving a very microscopic picture. This much bigger issues are there. Plus if somebody is upset, ये देखो, बोले क्या हुआ? वो ननंद जो है उनका मुंह फुला हुआ है। Since last 3 days she is not talking. क्या करें हम? He is going to the husband. Oh, what you want? बहन है तुम्हारी रानी. She is not talking. What can I do? She is like that. Go and talk. You, your sister, you talk. I don't know how to talk. You do it. He is upset with you. What I did? ये बेचारा जीव ऐसे चलता रहता है। उसमें कहाँ श्रवण होगा, कहाँ मनन होगा, कहाँ भक्ति है, कहाँ वैराग है, कहाँ therefore they come in the camp, they are very like all these, you know, these are Rahu Ketu are not there. So all these things that I have all around. न खाना बनाना, न फ़ोन का जवाब देना, न ये वो, बड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट है। You know why they have made it like that? By 50, 55, you should realize, enough I have done now. Now let me get promoted. Now on that ashram now, ये पशु बना दिया, on that ashram व्यवस्था is superimposed now. This is the 309th page. Please repeat after me. आत्मा वा इदम अग्र आसी एक एव सो कामयत जायामेस्या अथ प्रजायेय अथ वित्तं मेस्या अथ कर्म कुर्वीय इति एतावान् वै कामः नेच्छन् च न अतो भूयो विन्देत तस्माद् अप्येतर्हि एकाकी कामयते जायामेस्या अथ प्रजायेय अथ वित्तं मेस्या अथ कर्म कुर्वीय इति स यावद् अपि एतेषाम् एकैकं न प्राप्नोति अकृत्स्न एव तावन्मन्यते. Okay, let us understand. Now, very interesting. What is that which obstructs from Atma Gyan? So what is that? Can you guess? Kama, desire. What is desire? Sense of incompleteness in I, which I am sure of getting completed from something else other than I. क्या भगवान की माया बढ़िया है. Sense of incompleteness in I, imaginary sense of incompleteness in I, and imaginary sense that other thing has that completeness which will make me complete. This sense is called desire. In me, I am feeling, when I say incompleteness, understand, no? We use the word I miss. What I miss? I miss wife, I miss husband, I miss money. If I had wife, if I had house, if I had. This is called incompleteness. But I see somewhere it is what I miss. And I feel that if that comes to me, I will be full. हम complete हो जाएंगे. This is called calm. अब क्या करा जाए इसके लिए? अब now I'll work to get that desire fulfilled. First I superimposed incompleteness. Then second superimposition is completeness on this. And because of two incompleteness together is called desire. So I'm feeling very lonely today. I'm feeling lost today. I'm feeling very, sad that nobody is with me. Nobody is with me. I'm alone. Alone I cook, alone I walk. Nobody is there with me. अब क्या करोगे? I want a partner. I want someone, partner. Partner itself means will part away. You want something which will part away, and you want a partner. कैसी बात करते हो? नहीं, I am missing. No, you don't know my condition of mind. I'm not a sadhu sannyasi. I'm an ordinary mortal. I don't talk from the highest level. Please come to my level. I am very ordinary person. I am ordinary person with ordinary mundane desires. I want to eat also good. I'm not that any food. I want to have a company of husband, wife, frankly speaking, I mean. I want some good house also. I'm saving a lot. Acha, yes. I want to put on nice clothes. Every day, Monday this clothes, Sunday this, Tuesday this, new clothes. I want to have children, to be frank. I want to see that my house has, children, one is here playing with ball, other is playing with bat. All these things are in my dream. I'm kind of worldly thinking. I know I'm worldly. I'm not saying I'm not justifying. But I am like that. Achha, I want to have house, 3 BHK house, 4 BHK house. Balcony I required. Somewhere seaside should be there. Somewhere, love trees a lot, Swami. Lot of trees I love. Lot of trees. Yes. I like plants. Bonsai I love a lot. Bonsai. I want some pots like that. But to purchase a pot is very expensive. So I want all that. Read this. Why you are troubling me? इतनी काम आपके अंदर है महाराज. And you are thinking you will be happy. You know what is the meaning of calm? I will not be happy now. Conviction that I will not be happy now without that. This is called one effect of desire. So much we have analyzed, it will baffle you. ये क्या बात हो गई? ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप? You are signing a contract, I won't be happy now. And your demand list is so much. 4 BHK. Then, plant. And then you want child. Then you want childhood place. Then you want this. No, one thing I forgot. What? I like puppies also. I like dogs. They are like children only. I don't call it dog. Don't call it dog. They are my child. you have 10 demands. Out of 9 is fulfilled and 1 is not fulfilled. That unfulfilled demand will give you more pain than 9 demands joy. This has happened with Daksh Prajapati. Ravan had less women in his kingdom. Anywhere he saw any beautiful woman in there, she used to bring. Once Sita ji, my God, that worm entered into his mind. उससे क्या प्रॉब्लम थी आपको? Desire means, and remember one thing, all your desires will not be fulfilled. This is rule. One rule is there, out of all desires, few desires won't be fulfilled, howsoever fortunate, howsoever lucky you are. And that unfulfilled desire will take the joy of fulfilled desire. Then what shall I do? No, that we'll discuss later on. Let us analyze desire now. And that unfulfilled desire, you will always feel, everything is there. Swamiji, I have house, wife, children. Job is also good. Then what is the problem? My mother, father are not there. House is not full without mother, father. Thank God you thought like that. But I miss them. Today if they were there, they would be very happy to see you. Arey bhai, why are you feeling that everything should... No, one more thing. Let me complete. Mother, father are not there first. Second, my elder son, he is studying in London, medicine. If he was here, he would have loved. He asked a lot of questions. I think you are very fit for us answering all his questions. I'm missing him a lot. देखो ये हो जाता है. हमें तो समझ में आता है कि another synonym for जीव is पागल. Because he knows what is not possible. He tries to make it possible which is not possible. आपके भाग्य में नहीं है ये. Fate has not given this to you. But I want it. No, you can't have it. I want it. No, you can't have it. Why? When you meet God, you ask Him. I want son. You won't have. I want that particular position in my office. Everything you can't have. एक काम जो है गीता में तो यहाँ तक बोल दिया, महापापमा. ध्यान देके सुनना. I'm repeating what I'm saying. What I don't have, I superimpose incompleteness on me because of not having something. Superimpose. Second superimposition is lot of joys in somebody. Now I want to meet these two superimposition now. And I'm running up and down. Lives go away. One life नहीं कर रहे. Lives go away. Person cries, sad, angry, frustrated. And if calm is more, he will have more krodh when it is obstructed. A person is bitter and angry. Why I didn't get it? What wrong I did? He commits sin of not having that. Then what shall I do? ये बीमारी है इसको. किसको? यही अविद्याकृत जीव. अविद्या सूत्र is going on, no? अन्य असौ अहम अन्य अस्मि इति न स वेद स पशुदेवानाम. Now for that ashram vyavastha is there. Now you should have ashram. And now his history is mentioned now. And what what sannyasi feels and what is the seeker's outlook. Please understand this. And by God's grace only these things click in our mind. I don't think so. I need anybody for my joy. I don't have any incompleteness. This incompleteness that I am experiencing, it can go by knowledge and bhajan. Aha. It is my imagination. If I don't have anything, I don't think so. I should be so much obsessed by that. I am happy without that. This is seeker. Moment a person gets joy without having an object also. What he was missing a lot earlier, he misses less now, is called evolution of seekerhood. I'm not making it zero. Still I don't have that thing, what I didn't have 10 years back. But my prayers have changed now. The change in the prayer is a sign of growth of a seeker. Earlier I used to be mad and miss, but now it's fine. That empty place is filled by God, by satsang. I'm more at ease. And supposing this becomes your conviction, then that is called dispassion. Why? Well, if I have it, it will be difficult to keep it. I don't want to give unnecessary attention on many people. You know why a person becomes sannyasi sadhu? He wants uninterrupted sadhana. I don't want to pay tax after that. Why should I postpone my joy? Why? If I don't get, I'll be angry also. Actually, I'm not angry. Why? Because I don't have the desire. No, I'll be very angry after that. After that, I'll compete. हम अच्छे हैं जैसे भी हैं. अच्छा, हाँ, today I will read भागवत. बड़ा मजा आ जाता है बस. Schedule is my, I'll read Bhagavad, I'll do some meditation. अरे बस हमें चाहिए. I'll go for a walk alone. Do some jap. I don't need anybody to fulfill me other than God and my sadhana. What emptiness was there, sadhana is taken up. And I'll tell one more thing, which you have to understand by God's grace. God has made what is most important is non-snatchable. What are more important issues are non-snatchable. Anybody can snatch food, but not the water. Water is more available than food. Water may not be, but air is more available. Money is snatchable. Some person whom I love is snatchable. Okay, my good clothes are snatchable. Gold is snatchable. Meditation is not snatchable. It doesn't need, you have to be very rich to meditate. Your Guru Bhakti is not snatchable. Nobody can steal your Guru Bhakti. Naam Jap is not snatchable. If you do Path Parayana or Bhagavad, that is not snatchable. Your puja is not snatchable. Nobody can take away your puja. It is not in the world's hand that, no, I can't do jap. He took away my jap. Mentally you can keep an attitude of drishta, is not snatchable. When a person, what was missing, he fills that by these things, he becomes a seeker. And this is called wise living. Realization that every desire is not fulfilled of Bhagavan Ram also, Bhagavan Krishna also. Forget about me. Don't expect which is not possible. It is not in your fate. One should be clear what is not in my fate. And instead of saying I'm unlucky, please say I'm lucky. Why? Because that place will be taken by God now. It is good. Good that I don't have that. You know why we feel unlucky? Your definition of lucky and unlucky also should change. When we don't have worldly, we say, unfortunate, see how nice he has. Husband is so good, children are so good, wife is so good. Change the definition. I think I will be lucky if I have more dispassion. Sixth bhag is called bhagya. Aishwaryasya, samagrasya, dharmasya, yashasa, shriya, vairagyasya, mokshasya, shannam bhagitirina. Well, I don't have dispassion. I think I'm unlucky because I don't. But you can still be lucky. It is in your hand now. This is the shift in the mind, lateral shift of a seeker. And you will feel it. Unnecessarily I was missing. In aparokshanubhuti, definition of vairagya is given. Bole, all the bhog of this world, that's what this seeker lives at kak vishthavat, like the dropping of the crow. Aparokshanubhuti. In the very beginning verses are there. Now this person who? Avidya Sutra 1. Now Varna was superimposed, now ashram is superimposed. And which ashram? Grihastha ashram. What is there? We'll see it in our next class.